What's good, Bass Drum Militia? In today's video, we're going to be doing another episode of Clueless Drinker. Today, we're going to be making a great whiskey and sour. Also, if you guys want to win that magical butter machine right there, I suggest you stay tuned till the end of the episode. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it! What's good, everybody? Great to see you again. Welcome back to my magical butter kitchen. As I just told you in today's video, we're going to be making a fantastic whiskey and sour. Now, this right here is my series, Clueless Drinker. If you don't know what's going on right now, I'm a big fan of Conan O'Brien. He has a segment called Clueless Gamer, where he plays different video games. It's really funny and entertaining because he's not a gamer. In that same vein, that's where I came up with Clueless Drinker. As you guys know, this channel is the Goodies 420 channel. Obviously, we're all about cannabis around here. I don't even know anything about alcohol. I'm not a bartender. I don't have any alcohol experience other than getting drunk when I was in the Army. So that's why we're doing Clueless Drinker. So if I mess up, it's all good because, like I said, I really don't know what the hell I'm doing anyway. Now, before we go further in the video, I gotta let you know, like always, this video is being sponsored by magicalbutter.com. Use Bass Drop Keys to get 20% off your order with magicalbutter.com. I want to thank them for being my #1 sponsor. Right now, you can get a magical butter machine for only $140 on the website if you use my name, Bass Drop Keys, as the coupon code. Also, guys, if you're interested in getting any of my great merch, make sure you head over to shop.goodies420.com. Use the code GROWLIFE the entire month of October to get 10% off any of my merch. Shop.goodies420.com. The code GROWLIFE will get you 10% off any order. All right, guys, so you know what we're doing today. We took care of our sponsor. Now what we got to do is we got to go ahead and get into this video. Let's do it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into this and let's make this drink. It's pretty simple. We're going to need our shaker right here. We're going to need our jigger. Remember, this is how you measure your fluid ounces so you know how much you're putting in. The little side is a half fluid ounce. The big side is a full fluid ounce. All right, so to make this drink, we're going to start off with some simple syrup. You guys know we made some infused simple syrup right here on the channel, but we're going to use 3/4 of a fluid ounce for our drink. Here we go. There we go. Now for the sour portion of this, the recipe calls for 3/4 fluid ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. This is not freshly squeezed. This is in a bottle, but it's going to work just fine. 3/4 fluid ounce. All right, so we have our simple syrup in there. We have our lemon juice in there. This is called a whiskey and sour. It can't be a whiskey and sour without the whiskey. So we're gonna use, let's see, I got some Jack Daniel's Black Label right here, and I have some Crown Royal. Let's go ahead and use some of this Crown. We need 1.5 fluid ounces for this. So we're gonna do one of the big side. There we go. And we're gonna do one of the little side, that'll be 1.5. Very nice. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to put some ice inside of our shaker here. Now, normally I would have a bag of ice here when I'm doing the Clueless Drinker, but I forgot that. All I have here is my tray. So I'm gonna take this tray, and I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to use these to do this, but this is Clueless Drinker, so who cares? Put some ice in here. Like 4 or 5 cubes in here. Forget it. We're gonna take our glass. We're gonna put some ice cubes in here. Get ready. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to put the top on our shaker. We're gonna shake this 8 to 10 seconds. It's super cold now. Let's go ahead and pour it in. All right, guys, so there it is. That's how you make a great Good Eats 420 style whiskey and sour. Now, I was trying to do some kind of fancy garnish with the orange and with the cherry, but the toothpicks that I bought are not big enough to go across this glass to do something fancy. So I just threw a cherry in there because this is Clueless Drinker, and so what, right? Let me taste this real quick, hold on. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's real nice. I can see why people like this. Yeah, this is a good one. I won't mind sipping on that for quite a while. I'm definitely gonna finish this drink right here. All right, guys, so before I get up out of here, I wanna do two things. Firstly, the people that you see on the screen right now, those are the people that support me on Patreon and right here on the YouTube membership program. If you want to see your name just like everybody else, make sure that you come over and support me on Patreon. You can even support me on YouTube for only $1.99 a month. And guys, it really do help with all of these videos. That's the reason why I'm able to keep bringing you videos back to back to back, because of all of my supporters. I want to thank them so much. I really couldn't do all of this without all of you. Now, finally, before I get up out of here, as I told you at the beginning of the video, if you're interested in winning the magical butter machine, I got some great news for you. As I've been saying on the channel, whenever we hit 20,000 subscribers, I would be doing a giveaway where I would be giving away a magical butter machine. Also, we're going to be giving away some accessories to go with that magical butter machine. So the good news is, just yesterday, we just hit 20,000 subscribers. We've been posting here a total of 8 months. It's been about, 8 months and 8 days or something like that. And we hit 20,000 subscribers. I want to say thank you to everybody. I really appreciate all the love on the channel. To say thank you in another way, we're doing our 20,000 Halloween magical butter giveaway. Say that 5 times fast. If you want to participate or enter in the giveaway, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is click the link that's in the description. It's going to take you over where you can actually enter the giveaway. You have until now, until Halloween, to enter. The giveaway is going to be over Halloween night, and we're going to announce the winner on November 1st. So one more time, just in case you missed anything, right now we're doing a giveaway for a magical butter machine. I'm also going to throw in some accessories to go with that machine to make sure that whoever wins has a great start on making their butters, oils, tinctures, and everything else. If you're interested in entering the giveaway, click the link that's in the description. It's going to take you over where you will have up to 4 chances to enter the giveaway if you so choose. Make sure that you put the correct information in the email box, because if you win, that's the only information I have to get a hold of you. So anybody who's putting any false information, if you win, how am I going to get a hold of you? I won't be able to. So whenever you enter, make sure that you put a good email address, so that way I will be able to get a hold of you if you do win. I appreciate all the love from everybody, guys. Thank you so much for making this channel a success. I hope that we get to 40,000, 50,000, 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for everything. I really appreciate all the love from everybody. Until I see you guys the next time. Peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love. I'm going to finish this whiskey and sour because seriously, this is a good drink right here. And you know that it's infused. I'm out, guys. Much love.